energy therapy workshop, which Paul Carlos and I will be presenting, encompasses modalities which incorporate movement, sound, breath work, as well as experiential exercises which use the facility of specific questions which are able to access the psyche on a deep level to bring out the emotions, patterns, or habits that one is ready to face and let go of. And it's important to note that only that which the subconscious is ready to let go of will be raised to the surface in these experiential exercises. The beauty of these transformational processes is that as much as one is letting go of that which is self-destructive, self-sabotaging, or not uplifting in any way, in as much as it does that, it also brings in more of what you are needing in your life to follow your purpose, to live your vision, to be in the flow, and to live the life that you desire. At the end of the workshop, you will also be receiving a 30ml bottle of Bach remedy, which is going to be made up specifically for your needs. So out of the 38 Bach remedies, we'll be choosing 7 that will be able to assist you during your integration period following the workshop, so that you are supported during the continuation of the transformation. And along with that, Paul will be giving you a free download of one of his most transformative sound journeys. So you will be able to take yourself back to the processes that you were doing in the workshop and either access them on a deeper level or on a totally new, refreshed level as well. The theme of this workshop is water. And water has so many characteristics and traits that are able to assist one in the process of transformation, able to assist one through letting go, through bringing in that which is going to be nourishing, and through being in the flow with life. So on that note, I'll leave you with a few questions. Where in your life is there a drought right now? Where do you need more hydration? Is it in your relationships, your career, your health, your finances, your spiritual life, psychologically? Which of those areas would benefit you if it was more in flow and in tune with what you are needing to live the life that you desire? If you have any questions about the Energy Therapy Workshop, please feel free to email me, helen@helenhansen.koza.